Hi guys, happy Monday. Well, at least Monday for me. It'll be Tuesday for you by the time this goes up because the whole vlog time continuum. It's our day off from Fright Town, so I'm hanging out at home today. I'm going to stay in my jammies day, so I'm wearing my glow-in-the-dark skeleton jammies. So comfortable. Today I have laundry that I need to catch up on, and I should probably vacuum the house again. What else am I going to do today? I don't know. I don't have any plans. I'm not going anywhere. So maybe I will start working on those bloomers with that fabric I bought the other day at Joann's. But first I need coffee because I have a slight headache. Alright, I've got laundry going. I'm going to take an ibuprofen and then take my vitamin C and get yesterday's vlog uploaded from the Davis graveyard. And then I will take everything upstairs that I need so that I can work in the sewing room. Man, my office is a mess. After Fright Town and after I get back from Vlogger Fair next month, I need to buckle down and tidy this place up. I can't believe how cluttered it's become. I mean, my desk. I mean, obviously I'm going to work on this stuff here today, but my goodness, there's so much crap. I've neglected my space and just let it pile up. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to work on my bloomers right now. I brought in a table from the garage. Normally I put a cutting mat on the floor when I cut out fabric, but the other day I was feeding the dogs, bent down, and then I sneezed and I tweaked my back a little bit, and then with all the standing I've been doing at Fright Town, my back is so hurting. So I don't want to be sitting on the floor if I can help it. So I brought in a little table for cutting the fabric on. Hopefully that'll work out. That way I can sit in my chair as needed. And then once I have everything cut out while I'm sitting at the sewing machine, I think I'm going to put the heating pad on my back again. Alright, so I'm going to quit babbling, grab the fabric, and get to it. Okay, I am finished. I didn't do anything too terribly fancy to them. I did put lace around the legs. I was going to put elastic around the legs to make them a little tighter, but I've decided that I kind of like them just straight, loose leg, so they'll fit really comfortable. But they're finished. They turned out really, really cute. I can't wait to wear them. Awesome. It didn't take very long, maybe an hour or so. I honestly didn't check the time. I just been sitting here sewing and watching YouTube videos and just kind of caught up in the moment. I apologize I didn't film every step detail. I just wanted to just do it and relax and enjoy my time doing it. So that's it for my sewing today. Now I'm going to go back downstairs because I need to vacuum. I have some laundry I need to go hang up. And I got to go check on the dogs, see if they need to go outside and all the things. I realized today is Columbus Day, so I don't have to worry about checking the mail. So that's good. It's also Thanksgiving for those in Canada, so happy Thanksgiving to all my Canadian friends. Oh, I'm hungry. Speaking of Thanksgiving, I'm going to go check our crock pot because we have a roast going. It smells good. Yes. Look at that. Making a pot roast. We've got some carrots, onion, potato, some broth in there of some sort. I can't remember what Pete added to it. There's some seasoning. Oh, it just looks so good. Can't wait. It smells amazing right now. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. Well, there's not much more happening today. As soon as Pete gets home, we're going to have dinner, and then we're going to watch some of our favorite TV shows, kind of catch up from what we've missed the past few days because we were at Fright Town. So that's... oh, excuse me. Got a little tickle going on. Oh, boy. So yeah, the rest of the night's just going to be us lounging around being lazy and catching up on things. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think I'm going to go to the zoo tomorrow because I have another one of those Elephant Lands research survey project things that I need to go and do, and they're paying my way to go and all that. So anyway, I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully at the zoo. It all depends on the weather if I go tomorrow or not. If it's raining, I'm not going. If it's nice, I'll go. Alright? So we'll see you then. Bye.